Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find active status settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now click on this settings icon. Here you will find it. As you see, you will find active status. Click on it, and now you can manage your active status as you want, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.